Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we have a 2015 Chrysler 200 and today I'm gonna show you how you guys can clean your throttle body. Throttle body usually maintain the air entering in your engine, right? So if you are feeling your car has a low pickup or your car RPM going up and down, so make sure your throttle body is clean, because if it's clean it will improve your gas mileage too. So to do this we have a one clamp, which one we have to open it up, and that whole plastic going up there, and here is your throttle body. You have to unplug this one, and just give me a second, let me show you how so here is your throttle body. So you have to open that screw over there, that one you can open it, and you can open that one and it will come out, and one over there, it's a 10 mm over there, so you can pull it out and you can clean your throttle body. So let me show you guys how to do it. So to do this you need a screwdriver and a 10 mm socket and a screwdriver. Yeah, so pretty much easy. So to open this up you can use a screwdriver. You can pull it out from here. Yeah, it's pretty loose. And to open this up you need a ratchet and a 10 mm socket. There you go. And I already using that screw. I hope you guys can see. I don't know. Yeah, that one over there, it's already loose. As you can see, it's coming up, and you have to unplug that. So you can unplug like this, and then you can lift the whole thing up like this. It will come out. Just move that thing from here, and yeah, so that's how you can take that out. And now you guys can see that's our throttle body. See how dirty it is. It's pretty black. So to clean this up we're gonna use that one, that's throttle body clean. And you can use a rag or a paper towel. So what you have to do, just spray your throttle body over there and clean it with a rag. So let's do it. So yeah, you can see the difference. Now it's pretty clean. You have to spray like couple of times, and you can use a soap rag or paper towel to clean it up. See, it's very clean now, and that's how much carbon we got. See how dirty it was. So that's how guys you can clean your throttle body. Basically we have to clean it every maybe 2 years, right? You can yeah, every 2 years or 3 years. It's up to you guys. It depends upon the area. So if you are living in very dusty area, right, you have to clean it frequently. Otherwise you can clean it every 2 years, so that your car can perform well. So yeah, and to put it back you have to do the same procedure. Just put everything back and tight that screw, and 110 mm gonna be there, and you can just slide it up. That's how you remove it. It's the same procedure. That's how you're gonna put it back. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please comment it down. Thank you.